Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If the average of A and 2B is 26, the average of B and 2C is 41, and the average of C and 2A is 23, what is the average of A, B, and C? Now, let me consider the first piece of information, that is the average of A and 2B is 26. If I want to get the average of the two values A and 2B, what I have to do is I have to add the two values A and 2B, and it has to be divided by the number of values, that is 2. So this gives the average of A and 2B, that is equal to 26 according to the question. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 2 to get up the denominator 2 on the left side. Let me do it. So when I do so, this 2 will cancel out. Then I'm getting A positive 2B on the left side. On the right side, 26 times 2, that is 52. Now let me do the same thing for the second piece of information, that is the average of B and 2C is 41. That is B positive 2C divided by 2 equals to 41. Let me multiply both sides of this equation by 2 to get up the denominator 2 on the left side. This 2 will cancel out. Then I'm getting B positive 2C equals to 41 times 2. I'm getting 82 on the right side. Now let me do the same thing for the third piece of information, that is the average of CA and 2A is 23. That is C positive 2A over 2 equals to 23. Now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. Then I'm getting C positive 2A on the left side. On the right side, when I multiply this 23 by 2, I'm getting 46. Okay, here we have three equations. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the three equations. When I add two or more equations, what I have to do is I have to add the stuff on the left side and I have to add the stuff on the right side. When I add the stuff on the left side, I have A over here, 2A over here. These two terms are like terms. When I add this A and 2A, I am getting 3A. And also I can combine this 2B and B. When I combine them, I am getting positive 3B. And also when I combine this 2C and C, I am getting positive 3C. Now I have to add the numbers 52, 82 and 46 on the right side. When I add them, I am getting 180 on the right side. Okay, now we can consider the coefficient of A, coefficient of B, coefficient of C, and also the result we have on the right side 180. All of them are multiples of 3, so better we can divide each term in this equation by 3 to make the numbers smaller, so that the further calculation will be easier. Okay, let me divide the first one by 3, second one by 3, third one by 3, and the fourth one by 3. So when I do so, this 3 will cancel here, this 3 will cancel, the same thing, and I'm getting A positive, B positive, C equals to, when I divide 180 by 3, I'm getting 60. Okay, now I got the sum of the three numbers A, B, and C, but our aim is to find the average of these three values A, B, and C. For that, we have to add all these three values and divide by 3. Already we have added the three values A, B, and C. We got 60. Now to get the average, what I have to do is I have to divide this one by 3. So on the right side also we have to divide by 3. Okay, then we get A positive, B positive, C over 3 equals to, when I divide 60 by 3, I am getting 20. So we have added three values and divided by 3. So this gives the average of A, B, and C. So the average of A, B, and C equals to 20. We find 20 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.